Hey everyone, welcome back to Juliet English Stories. I'm excited to have you here. The incredible journey of the Eiffel Tower. In the heart of Paris stands an iron marvel, the Eiffel Tower. Once considered an eyesore, it's now a beloved icon. Imagine Paris in 1887. Commissioned for the World Fair, the Eiffel Tower project begins. Engineer Gustav Eiffel oversees the design, inspiring the tower's name. 2 years, 2 months, and 5 days. That's how long it took to build this colossal creation. Much like a giant puzzle, its 18,000 individual iron pieces were meticulously assembled with precision. Over 7 million nails hold it together. The Eiffel Tower stands at 330 meters, roughly the same height as an 81-story building. When completed in 1889, it was the tallest human-made structure in the world. Initial reactions were harsh. Critics dubbed it the metal asparagus and the iron monster. It was supposed to be temporary, slated for dismantling after the 1909 World Fair. However, the tower's potential as a radio transmission tower saved it from destruction. Over time, the Eiffel Tower became a symbol of French pride and ingenuity. During World War II, Adolf Hitler ordered the tower's destruction. It was spared only because the orders were disobeyed. Over the years, the Eiffel Tower served many purposes. It was a billboard, a weather station, even a military watchtower. But mostly, it stands as a beacon for tourists. Over 7 million people visit each year. The Eiffel Tower's design handles wind superbly. It sways a mere few inches in high winds. And yes, it grows and shrinks. The tower expands up to 15 centimeters in the summer heat. It's not just gray. The tower has been painted 18 times, often in different shades. Maintenance is a never-ending task. It takes 60 tons of paint to cover the Eiffel Tower. The Eiffel Tower's lights are a sight to behold. They flicker every hour on the hour after dusk. It also has a beacon light, visible for miles around. Did you know there's a secret apartment atop the Eiffel Tower? Gustav Eiffel had it built for himself. In 1999, the Eiffel Tower got a Millennium Countdown clock. It was a big hit. In 2000, the sparkling lights we love were added. They were meant to be temporary, but proved too popular. Several people have parachuted off the Eiffel Tower. It's illegal and dangerous. The Eiffel Tower was not universally loved, but over time, critics became fans. Today, it's hard to imagine Paris without the tower. It dominates the skyline and captures hearts. Few structures have a history as rich as the Eiffel Tower. It stood the test of time. The Eiffel Tower is more than iron and bolts. It's a symbol of human achievement. From controversial beginnings to beloved landmark. That's the incredible journey of the Eiffel Tower. Thank you for joining us on this journey as we explored the captivating history of the Eiffel Tower